Today's topic is how to visit Germany's Bundestag, Parliament of Germany. So, first thing is you can visit free. It's free of cost, no charges, but you need to book an appointment on the priority. So, how to do that? I'll show you. Open your Google, type Bundestag appointment, and you can click on this URL or this URL. So, this is the thing, and you can visit on this beautiful dome. This is the masterpiece of architecture, and this building also. So how can you do that? I'll show you. So this is the thing. There's two URL where you can click like online registration and or this. Both are the same. And if you are with your group, you can visit your group also. So read carefully what you can carry, what you cannot, what is permitted and what is not. And read carefully and click on this box and next and privacy policy, obviously. So click on the next and here, like capture. This is the very important thing I can say. I don't know. People are asking all the time. So there's three options. You can visit the lecture chamber where members of parliament are sitting, discussing, doing the meetings and everything, and you can visit that, see that also. Click on this or this. You can choose one of these options, and these are the timings: morning 8 a.m. to 9:45 p.m. and these are the dates. So according to your availability, you can choose this. Click on the next. I'm choosing visit the dome. So now click on the next. Number of visitors, as I can say, as I told you, you can visit with your group also, but I'm choosing as individual, so this is the availability calendar. So I'm choosing, you can choose according to your preferences. I'm choosing 12th of June 2025. These are the timings. You can choose one of these. I'm choosing 16 Uhr. Like in Germany, we can say 16 Uhr, but normally it's 4 p.m. So click on the next. Now you can type your information, I'm typing my name, choosing individual as I told you, your email ID. So these are the things. Click on the save, and after that you will receive immediately an email. So now you can create a list of visitor, or you can delete your request. So I'm creating my thing. So first name like Swapnil Kumar, and your date of birth. Submit your request. So there's error. I didn't type my proper. Yeah, now request submitted, and you will receive an email very soon. Your list of visitor one so has been saved and everything, and yeah, here blah 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 blah, confirming request. This is the final receipt. You can save this receipt because checking, they will check you as the airport checking, same as and they are asking for this receipt. So you need to show that with your identification, which is authorized by your government, or if you are in Germany, then you must be having passport or residence permit and everything. You can take one of these, and because the checking and security check is heavily equipped, so you need to keep in your mind everything. So this is the thing. Hope you will enjoy and have a safe travel. Cheers.